I'm waiting for my ranch because I won't eat like any other ranch other than like Wingstop's or HEB's fresh ranch. Anyways, I started thinking about it and I think I want to go back to Cabo. So how about we all meet there in March? Cabo, y'all. Let's go.
Tell me your name. Your name, sir.
No screaming. No screaming. Hold it. I need that. I need that. I see a dog in there. That's an English in there, huh? Oh my God. Look who only got the mail. I didn't get anything. Why are you shaking? Oh, and you're drooling. Oh my God. Feels good out here, huh? You haven't been able to lie on grass in forever. This is why we need a home with a backyard. This is why. This is why. Oh my goodness. Look at all this grass on you. Oh my God, look at all this. What did you do? What did you do? What did you... She just blends in. Where is she? There she is. Oh my goodness. Come on, littles. Come on, littles. I'm over here. You know where I'm at. Nothing like spilling brand new Wingstop ranch all over brand new shoes, right? You're looking up the whole floor. Have any of y'all watched this? I keep seeing it like all over social media. So we're gonna give it a try, huh, Lils? Ooh, okay.